What's the color of zebra? Black and white. Black and white. What's the color of lion? Yellow and brown. Yellow and brown. What's the color of hippo? Gray and pink. Gray and pink. What's the color of monkey? Black and brown. Black and brown. What's the color of giraffe? Yellow and brown. Yellow and brown. What's the color of elephant? Gray and pink. Gray and pink. I can see black and white. I can see yellow and brown. I can see gray and pink. I can see black and brown. I can see yellow and brown. I can see gray and pink. The zebra is black and white. The lion is yellow and brown. The hippo is gray and pink. The monkey is black and brown. The giraffe is yellow and brown. The elephant is gray and pink. I try new things. Climb, climb. Cook, cook. Cat, cat. I can climb, I can climb. I can cook, I can cook. I can cut, I can cut.